Araha Biyata Jaya Sugata Amita Vita Jalalita Tulan Jana Divuva Samayamagan Sukhata Sarana Panama Mijinan Samudya Thavi Sinjana Nasija Sasage Pejasata Sasani Namami Sira Sama Apkavaluka Gigana Dani Buddha Jina Desa Damija Sangeja Arena Namama Namegana Nubawina Indwasa Viupadui Nikana Yami Vinasa Dulase Sata. So general knowledge for the Buddhists. We must know what is around you, Vichaditi. Buddha said, Katamaja Bhikkhu Vichaditi. Bhikkhus, what is around you? Buddha answered, Nati Dina, there is nothing given. Nati Yetan, nothing offered. Nati Hutan, nothing sacrificed. Nati Sukata Dukatana Kamana Phala Vipako. No fruit or result of good and bad actions. Nati Ayaloko. No this war. Nati Proroko. No other war. Nati Mata. No benefit upon mother. Nati Pita. No benefit upon father. Nati Satta Opapatika, no beings who are reborn spontaneously. Nati Loke Samana Brahmana Samagata Sama Pripana Ye Iminja Lokan, Palancha Lokan, Sayabenya Sichikato Apawanditi. No good and virtuous recluse and Brahmins in the world who have realized for themselves by direct knowledge and declare this war and the other war. Ayam Bhikkhu Vichaditi, this is wrong view. That said in the Maha Chatari Saka Sutta.
Buddha Sasana Chiram Tikatu Buddha Sasana Chiram Tikatu Buddha Sasana Chiram Tikatu Sadhu